5 key factors for choosing the best solar panel for your home. Installing a home solar energy system is a smart financial investment for many homeowners. However, many people don't know how to get the most out of their solar energy. In this video, let's discuss a few things you need to consider when choosing your new solar panel. Price. Keep in mind that the price is not the only important factor. Instead of focusing on price, look for a high-quality system that will be efficient and provide optimal performance for the long term. Type of solar panel. Solar panels come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. Temperature tolerance. To find the best solar panels, look for products with a high degree of thermotolerance, as it allows you to maximize the output and enjoy greater cost savings over time. Quality. Choosing high-quality panels is essential for ensuring optimal output and performance. With proper care and attention, your solar panels can be reliable and long-lasting energy sources for decades to come. Efficiency. While choosing panels, consider the amount of light the panel receives, as it will determine how much electricity it generates and thus how effective it is at meeting your energy needs. Contact Best Solar Installer near you like Solar SME for assistance. Give a thumb up if you like this video and subscribe for more informative solar videos.